Me laisse pas l'aimer.
Pourtant c'est lui que tu veux.
Laisse pas l'aimer.
Et tu m'oublies peu à peu.
Laisse pas l'aimer.
Je sais.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing Brigitte Bardot's hair and makeup for you guys. I'm super excited about this video and it was super fun to film. So I'm doing like kind of her 1960s look, and if you guys want to learn how to get it, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so I just blow dried my hair and I flipped my head over to get extra volume. Now I'm taking my Hot Tools curling iron, which is 1 inch, my little comb, and some Velcro rollers, and I'm just going to start taking sections from the center of my hair and curling it backwards. I only hold it there for a couple seconds, and now I'm taking my Velcro rollers and I'm just going to roll the hair up. This is going to get Brigitte Bardot's very big, voluminous, sexy hair. Now I'm going to take the last section and just roll it up. Ta-da! They're all done. Now I'm going to wait 15 minutes so they can cool and dry. And now I'm going to take each one out. You're going to be left with big voluminous curls. So what it does is it just really sets the curl so that it'll hold its shape for longer, and plus it's going to give you more volume at the roots. Okay, once it's all out, I'm just going to brush through them with my fingers, and now I'm going to take the top center section of my hair and I'm going to spray a strong hold hairspray on it. For this one, I'm just using the Coconut Organics one, and I think it's a level 4 in hold. And now I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to back comb the middle section of my hair so I get a lot of volume. Don't forget the sides too, because you don't want that to fall flat. And now that you look like a crazy person, you're just going to take your comb and comb back all of the hair, making sure that it's not frizzy on top and it lays flatter. Well, it still has volume, but it doesn't look frizzy and messy. And now I'm going to take a little clear elastic and I'm going to tie my hair back. Now I'm going to take the side sections and loosely twist them and pin them to the back. It's just going to add more detail, and I think it looks a lot better with the sides pinned back. Now I'm going to take my Chi texture spray and I'm just going to spray it at my ends just to give me more volume and texture. You want it to be really sexy, really messy, tousled look. And that is it for the hair, you guys. Super simple, and it looks really good. So I already started with my foundation, concealer, and powder already done, and you can see on the screen what I used there. Now I'm just going to take my Kat Von D contour palette and I'm just going to take the center shade and I'm going to lightly contour with that, making sure it's super blended out. I just want to look naturally, like I have structured face. I don't want to do anything too crazy, so I'm just going to go around my cheekbones and my forehead and slightly on the jawline. Now I'm going to take my MAC blush in Melba and I'm just going to apply it to my cheeks so I look very flushed. Now I'm going to take a light eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it all over to my lid as a base. Now I'm taking a medium brown shade just to give my crease some definition, really pronouncing the socket of my eye, which is right between the brow bone and the lid space, making sure to really blend that out. Now I'm taking a darker shade and I'm going to apply it to my crease as well, really making sure to define that crease section, giving me prominent eyes. Now I'm going to take that dark shade and I'm going to run it along my lower lash line, deepening up the look. Now off camera really quick, I just did my winged liner in my lashes just because it's easier. Now I am taking a dark shade again and I'm really making sure I smudge out that lower lash line. Now I'm taking my Marc Jacobs white liner and I'm just going to put it on my waterline just to make myself have super big eyes just like Brigitte. Now I'm taking my Estee Lauder lip liner in nude because she always seems to have a super nude lip, and I'm just going to overline my lips, giving me big sexy lips. Now I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and I'm just going to apply it in the center of my lips. And using my favorite L'Oreal mascara, I'm just going to apply it to my upper and lower lash line just to blend my lashes with my fake lashes. And guys, that is the finished Brigitte Bardot look. I really hope you guys enjoy it.
Une histoire de plage mêlée de sable et d'eau. Dans un coquillage, la voilure d'un bateau qui se...
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it because I had so much fun recreating her look. And if you want to see more from me, I also do little makeup tutorials on Instagram. So here's a little preview here, and the link to my Instagram is down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It would help me out a ton. And if you like this video and you want to see me again, don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're